If you are a plant lover like me, nothing feels more frustrating than spotting tiny ants marching through your potted plants. Whether your pots are inside your home, on your balcony, or outside in your garden, ants always find a way. So today, let's explore gentle, natural ways to get rid of ants from potted plants at home without harming your green ones. Before removing ants, it helps to understand why they're even there. Ants don't just wander around your plants for fun. Most of the time, they're attracted to sweet honeydew from pests like aphids, soft scale, or mealybugs. Sometimes, they also build nests inside soft, moist soil.
Indoor plants attract ants mostly because of soft pests like mealybugs, aphids, or from soil that stays too damp for too long. Since indoor pots are in a controlled space, they need very gentle and low moisture remedies to protect both the plant and your home environment. Outdoor pots, on the other hand, face a different issue. Ants often build full colonies right inside the soil. Outdoor plants can safely handle stronger natural treatments like warm water flushing or diatomaceous earth because they get more airflow, sunlight, and quick drying. One common myth is that ants directly damage your plants. They actually don't. The real issue is that they protect the pests that do harm your plants. When you fix the pest problem, the ants usually disappear.
Now that we've uncovered why ants are visiting your plants, let's dive into the real solutions, simple steps you can follow to make your pots ant-free again. The very first step is to check for pests hiding under the leaves and stems. If you find cottony white spots or sticky leaves, that's honeydew, and it's basically sugar syrup that ants love. Treating the pest issue helps break the ant cycle. If your plant is outdoors or has good drainage, you can gently flush out the ants by pouring warm, never hot, water into the soil. The warmth encourages ants to leave their nest without harming your plant's roots. Just avoid boiling water, as it can shock or burn the root system.
Here are my favorite natural fixes for ant-infested pots, gentle enough for delicate plants, yet strong enough to send ants away. All you need are simple ingredients you already have at home. Sprinkle a thin layer of cinnamon powder on the soil. Ants dislike the strong scent, and it's one of the safest remedies for indoor plants. Make a simple clove water spray and mist it around the edges of the soil. It repels ants gently without harming your plant. Place a few lemon or orange peels on the soil surface. The natural citrus oils keep ants from climbing back. Use extremely diluted soap water to wipe ant trails on the pot rim. It disrupts their scent path but stays gentle on the plant. Break a couple of bay leaves and tuck them into the corners of the pot. Ants naturally avoid their aroma.
Knowing remedies is easy, applying them right is what actually saves your plant. Always test on one leaf first. Spray only in early morning or evening. Don't drench the soil, use small amounts. Never mix multiple remedies. Use a clean spray bottle. These simple rules prevent leaf burn, root stress, and over-treatment.
After treatment, watch your plant closely. 1. It's working if fewer insects, no sticky residue, cleaner soil. 2. Repeat if pests return in 3-4 days, soil smells off, or new bite marks appear. 3. Don't confuse yellow leaves or brown tips with pest damage, those have other causes. Observing results helps you know exactly when to continue or pause.
Now protect your plant from future infestations. Water only when soil needs it. Keep airflow around pots. Clean leaves weekly. Give proper sunlight. Mist neem oil monthly. Quarantine new plants. Healthy plants naturally repel most pests.
If there's no improvement in 7 to 10 days, just switch remedies. Change your method if pests stay in soil, hide under leaves, cluster near stems, or the plant still looks dull. Different pests need different approaches. Switching is normal.
Here's a smart plant lover trick most people don't know. Some plants, like hibiscus, rose, and even certain fruiting plants, naturally attract ants because of their sweet sap or extra floral nectar. So instead of fighting ants constantly, create a natural balance. Place mild ant repellent plants like mint, basil, lavender, or rosemary near those ant-prone pots. This simple pairing keeps ants away naturally, without using strong remedies or disturbing your plant's growth.
So that's how you get rid of ants from potted plants at home, naturally, safely, and effectively. When you understand why ants come and how to break the cycle, your plants stay healthier and happier. Keep nurturing your green ones, and they'll reward you with new leaves, fresh growth, and a peaceful, ant-free home.
Found this helpful? Hit like, subscribe for more simple plant care tips, and drop your plant questions in the comments.